Hi, this is Lev Mills, associate broker with Keller Williams Realty Cityside and certified property manager with Mills Elite Homes. Just wanted to give you a brief tour of 2225 Dodson Drive in East Point, Georgia. I just want to show you just a little bit of the neighborhood, just a beautiful, neighborhood, nice and quiet, and just wanted to show you this property. This is a 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom bungalow, and with a nice private yard. It's recently renovated. So the first thing you'll notice when you come in are the nice, fresh paint and nice flooring. You come in here to the nice renovated kitchen here. You got some nice laminate countertops here, stainless stove. This area in here is the bedroom. So it faces the front. Have nice track lighting in here. Have a nice sized closet. You have hardwood floors throughout. And this is the living room area. This door goes out to like a little patio area on the side. And let's open it up. And yes, you have a living room here. So you have your living room, you have your kitchen, you have your 1 bedroom there. Here are the furnace. You have central heat and air. Here is the bathroom. And you have your shower here. There is a linen closet right here. And you have your washer connections, dryer connections, and your little laundry closet right here by the front door. All right, so this is it. This is 2225 Dodson Drive in East Point, Georgia. Very close to 166 and 285. Easy to get into downtown. It's inside the perimeter, of course, and just a wonderful space. So give me a call. This is Lev Mills, associate broker, Keller Williams Realty, certified property manager, Mills Elite Homes, and look forward to hearing from you. My cell phone is 678-590-5999. That's 678-590-5999. Talk to you soon. Take care.